Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll do an unboxing and testing of a newest addition to my airgun collection. It's my first 177 Springer. Remington. So it's a Remington Express .177. See the specs. 16 foot-pound knockdown power, 1200 FPS for alloy pellets and 1000 FPS for lead. Automatic safety, hardwood, okay, with scope and fiber optic front and rear sight. Okay, let's see what's inside. It's gonna be first Remington, but it's not a firearm. Okay, see, scope, addressing the rings, and the gun. Okay, look at the wood finish. Nice. Checkering. Front and rear. Slots for scope rings so they don't move. Safety. This is polymer. Trigger is polymer. Remington logo. Okay, we're the test fire portion of the video. So this is just testing the gun for, not for accuracy, because it needs to be broken in. So I want to know how loud it is and how's the recoil. This is my first, my first break barrel Springer, actually, in 177. So I want to know how it handles, and the trigger, and then later on, after maybe 200 rounds, then that's where I will check the accuracy. For now, look at the gun. Beautiful gun. Tiny pellets. We're using, of course, let's see. Okay, automatic safety. Oh, it is loud, really loud. Okay, so after the first shot, it was really loud, like a 22 LR. So obviously it's dieseling, a lot of oil. So I've shot it, I think I'm around 50 pellets. So it has quieted down and no more smoke. So let's try shooting a few pellets. So obviously it is harder to cock compared to a nitro piston, but this thing shoots straight. Okay, let's check it out. That's 3 shots. No edit. Let's go. Okay, final thoughts on the Remington Express .177 break barrel rifle. I like it. Okay, starting with the wood stock, it's a very beautiful stock. So now I can compare a Springer, an actual Springer, to a nitro piston. Okay, although it's not as smooth and it's not as quiet, but the body, the stock can handle it because it's heavier than the uh, polymer or plastic stocks. And the scope that comes with it, it's clear. I don't know the brand. It doesn't have any brand, but the glass is clearer than the center point scopes that comes with the Crossmans and the Benjamins. I like it actually. And I haven't tried the open sights, but it looks good too. Like I said, I like the wood stock. I like the quality of the metal. If I can change one thing in this rifle, it's the trigger. I would prefer a metal trigger. But other than that, got it for 72 bucks shipped, sportsmansguide.com, with coupon, with free shipping coupon. This is a good deal, okay? It is a good deal. Best bang for your buck. Thanks for watching, guys.